Would you believe that this air filter has not been changed for 6 years and the car has already done 54,000 miles? And this is not the worst part. The car is manufactured 2019 and this is the original filter that it came out of the factory. So this is what was filtering the air going into the engine, at least he was trying to. And meanwhile, the main dealer has been servicing the car every single year. So what exactly have they been servicing? This should have been changed years ago, but because people trust the full service the main dealer provides, they assume that everything has been done properly. Truth is, you can never actually know what exactly has been done to the car. And let's be real, this isn't an isolated case. What's the moral of the story? Don't blindly trust main dealers. If you want your car to last, make sure you get it serviced regularly and make sure that whatever's been on the service list that has been done, ask for proof, double check if you have to, and most of it, find a trustworthy mechanic.